Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options available on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword, and Gbird. Finally, just tap on Text Correction section over here, and as you can see, all typing features are located over here. In order to turn off or on one of them, just click on the sweater next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!